Top NFT stocks to buy. Of late, you may have heard that the New York Stock Exchange announced it will launch first trade NFTs to memorialize the true first trade of Spotify, Snowflake, Unity, DoorDash, Roblox, and Coupang. So in this video, we're just going to name a few of the top of the, or rather a few of the most prominent of such NFT stocks, and we'll just have a small overview of them. So the first one will be Takung Art, Jiayin Group, Oriental Culture Group, Funko, Hall of Fame, Resort and Entertainment, Sandime, Ski. So for Takung Art, one of the first companies to jump aboard the NFT train in a big way, according to Investor Place, it appears that in addition to these rumors, investors like Takung's business model, or rather they like Takung's business model. The company has a unique approach to ownership of collectible items on its platform. Whether we're talking about NFTs or physical collectibles, the company's marketplace allows for shared ownership in fine Asian art. Takung currently, technically, it appears to be correcting with a long-term bullish trend. It's also lagging the S&P 500. That's what the stock is doing currently. And for the Jiayin Group, unlike Takung Art that operates in the collectible space, Jiayin operates in an online financial marketplace. The company essentially connects the individual borrowers and investors in China. Jiayin Group is deemed a speculative play that may have drawn some sympathy from Takung Art, and technically it appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend, and is also lagging the S&P 500. So this is just an overview. So we go on with Oriental Cultural Group. The company provides investors with professional platforms for the trading of collectibles and commodities. Yet another speculative play, and technically momentum for Oriental Cultural Group is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. And then Funko, the maker of limited edition figurines, the company appears to be one with real intentions of entering the NFT space in a big way. Funko appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend, but it's also outperforming the S&P 500. And then the other one is Hall of Fame. The company's goal has been to create a destination paradise for NFL fans to visit, stay, and spend their money. In other words, the Disneyland for NFL enthusiasts. This is yet another speculative play, especially as it concerns who will lead the charge in producing the NFL's NFT. And Hall of Fame appears to be in a strong bearish trend. Both the 200-day moving average and the MACD histogram are falling. Comparative Relative Strength analysis shows it's lagging the S&P 500. So we'll move on to the next one, Sandime. Sandime is a digital entertainment concern that reached a couple of milestones as it concerns performance outcomes. Investors in Sandime stock really want to know more about its NFL pursuits. So the company came up with an update that it has plans to release at least one NFT product during the month of April 2021. And then technically, Sandime stock appears to be consolidating within a longer-term downtrend, although the ADX, or the average directional index, is below 20, indicating that shares have exhibited sideways movement recently. Both the 210-day moving averages are falling, which implies that the overall trend is lower. Comparative Relative Strength analysis shows it is lagging the S&P 500. So the last one is Ski. Recently, Ski announced it was shifting its focus to the NFT space. Specifically, the company's newfound focus is on providing what are essentially digital certificates of authenticity to blockchain transactions. But Ski technically appears to be correcting within a longer-term bullish trend, although its MACD is presently below the signal line. Shares remain 17.9% above an upward sloping 200-day moving average. but it's also lagging the S&P 500. So if amongst all of these stocks, we have now chosen these ones. We have picked these ones out to as the ones we will say these are the ones to buy. Takung Art is one of them, even though it's trading at $20, $20.86. We can see it is currently trading below its short-term trend lines, but also above its 20-day trend line. So its 20-day, currently trading below its short and intermediate short-term trend line. So in the very short term, it is, I would say, it's presenting a good buying opportunity. And just basically, I mean, strictly based on that, we have chosen Takung Art, and it's just simply because it's presenting a good buying opportunity. So move on to Jiayin Group. Jiayin is also presenting, I believe, a decent buying opportunity. It's currently trading below its short and intermediate trend lines, trading at a discount to them. So for us, that is that's a good buying opportunity. So yes, it's one of them. And then next one is Oriental Cultural Group. This as well is also trading below its short and intermediate trend lines. We can see that. This is the stock itself. This is the 50-day trend line. This is the 10-day trend line. This is the 20-day trend line. It's trading at a discount to all of them. So for us, it's presenting in the interim a good buying opportunity. It could retrace any further, but based on what's going on now, it is presenting a buying opportunity. And then the next one is Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame is trading at $3.13, also trading below all of its trend lines, short and intermediate trend lines. So technically, it's a buy, even though it might be considered to be signaling negativity or bearishness, but that's also presenting a buying opportunity. So that is believing that the fundamentals are equally right as well. So the next one is Sign-Dime. Sign-Dime is also trading below all of its short and intermediate trend lines, also presenting a technical buy. So these are the ones we are currently considering worth looking at. These are the ones we consider top, based on the fact that technically they are presenting a good buying opportunity. That is, these are as a Takung Art, Jiayin, right? Jiayin Group, and OCG, that is Oriental Cultural Group, and then this is Hall of Fame and Sign-Dime. So these are the ones we really consider a good buy, because of the fact that they are trading at a discount to their shorts and intermediate trend lines, as the case may be. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much again for watching this video.